Pangyakran bahaka Sngewtynnad Don Nong Shur ni Paralok Kibane Slam hi kam trai kam hau MP Lok Sabha ba Thymmai ka Congress na Tura Parliamentary Constituency usalang e sangma nakabaong bahu hi usyem baka Sngewtynnad ka day nakabantau pajba. Habakran sikilat patay kubor hadin bola e no ikakam kumu MLA ka gambe gre hakish potri ujalio arjar psaw halor ka jingla ban wan phai biang ki noi lambarim kibala pet cha ka Trinamool Congress kumu Dr. Mukul sangma bat Zenith sangma nakalyang usaleng ulaong ba Sngewtynnad bakin wan phai biang.
Is it true that former leaders of Congress who have left the party and joined another party have called you and they want to join Congress again?
Including that of Dr. Mukul?
No. I don't know. I haven't heard about it. If I hear, then definitely I will speak. Why would I lie? Maybe they might have contacted a few of our leaders, but I don't know. We have not discussed.
Are you
Because
going to welcome them? Dr. Mukul and even your rival.
Can we take decision?
no. We cannot take decision alone out here. Everybody is welcome, but we might have to check. I think so. Otherwise, they might disrupt again. Yes. So, frankly speaking, why the hell I will lie to you? Some people will come and then again disrupt the, smooth functioning of the Congress.
Exactly.
Huh?
Exactly.
Why we would do that?
Habatin, pej bahaki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.